Here we go. Here we go.
I wanna take you out. I wanna take you with me in my suitcase. I left some space. We'll go to London town. You can meet my best friends. I know you'll.
Oh, we made it.
We made it, we haven't even started.
We made it.
But all the things I wanna do don't mean shit when you.
Here's Jimmy, absolute beast.
You just leave me on red. You just leave me on
Oh, wow.
red. Oh.
There is so much shit.
You just leave me.
This is the biggest pile of shit.
We made it to base camp. Night one stay here.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
So it's 2 miles.
We made it. Barely.
Never been a further 2 miles in my life.
We're about 15,000 feet up.
30 minutes a kilometer.
Now we just gotta find Tim. Tim getting his first horseback riding lesson. Are you bonding with her? She is. We got camp number 2 here. Boys are all showered up. Don't smell like shit as badly anymore. Day 3, here we go.
You just leave me on.
Here we go. Vámonos.
Smells so good. Smells better with every step. You can smell it from here.
That's really funny.
Hey. He's like, who has food on him?
What's up, buddy?
Oh,
Oh, likes you.
Yeah. Why did Daniel come back with rabies? Oh. Hey.
He's looking for food. He doesn't care.
Yeah,
about
he's just like biting my shirt.
Suéltale, 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 suéltale.
Na 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 na. to find our place. Oh, why do I try so hard?
It's good to be scared though.
Yeah, no, I mean, after doing the first one,
Proud of you,
they've all
Tim.
been easier.
And Andy.
Thanks, man.
You're still Andy. My adventure park friend.
I'm too small for this world, I can feel it. I'm too big for my head, tend to get lost inside, into the bottom of sense, dreaming of everything, into the bottom of sense. You can deceive me, but why do I try so hard to run away? To run away.
We made it.
I'm too small for this world, I believe it. I'm too small for this world, I can see it clear. Tracing lines in the sand like an insect. Reach with trembling hands, need some energy. Just enough to observe from a distance. I'll be watching from far, from far, from far away.
Thank you, Jimmy. We did it. We made it.
Within this